Hello and welcome to another Sue's Reviews. I'm Sue McD and today I'm reviewing a physical product. I'm not going to lie, this is my third attempt at making this review, and if this doesn't turn out, then that's it, I'm done for the day. But I did go ahead and buy a Maono, I think that's how you pronounce it, Maono portable USB microphone kit. And this is for my new YouTube channel where I read to children. I read kids' books, and somebody mentioned that my volume wasn't very good, so I purchased the microphone. Now, I realize I have my microphone set up for you, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like and the box that it came in. So it just came like this, very simple. Instructions, also very simple, but super small, like I could barely read them, and these are my higher prescription reading glasses, and I still had struggled to read. But basically setup is pretty simple once you go through it. And this is how the microphone looks. It comes with a little tripod, and then this little holder here is separate, and you screw this into the tripod like that. Once you've got that holder set up, then you screw the microphone into this area here, into this ring. And one thing that I noticed, when you're screwing this into this section here, hold the ring and then just turn the microphone until it bites and it's tight, and then you can actually hold the angle. You can set the angle and hold it by just tightening that. And then this, I just found out from my son, is to kind of dampen the like if you say p p p p p p, it dampens that noise so it's not as pronounced. And then all you do from there is you plug in this bottom area here, and then the other end is a simple USB that you plug into your computer. And I'm going to switch to my computer screen now so that you can see the setup. So all I did here was, and in fact I'm going to move this closer because I'm still kind of playing around with the volume. You can turn it down on your computer if it's too loud, obviously. You set this to your USB condenser microphone, and then it said to go back and set this here. Your input is also going to be your USB condenser. And then once you've done that, I make my videos through OBS. And what was nice was, let me go back to my full screen now. OBS was able to detect that I plugged in another microphone source, and it automatically used that source. So yeah, the setup was super easy. Again, the name is Maono portable USB microphone kit. If I can set this up, anybody can set it up. I purchased it from Amazon. It had a lot of reviews, and I think like 700 people had taken the time to review it. It had a 4.5, almost 5-star rating. I will put a link below in case you want to pick one up yourself. But yeah, it was pretty inexpensive. I only paid like $30 for it. I only need it for doing my read aloud books, so the volume is a little clearer and crisper when I'm reading to kids. And yeah, I like it. It's small, it fits on the desktop really easily, and you can let me know how it sounds in the comments below. If you like this review, I know it's short and it's basic, but if you like it, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. And I'm going to also leave the link to my new channel, which is called Miss McD reads to me, and if you have some little ones in your home that are getting ready to go to school, I have some really nice stories that I've recorded and put on my channel, and nothing gimmicky, no props, no stupid voices, just plain and simple read aloud story time with me, Miss McD. So I hope you'll check it out, and thanks so much for spending time with me today. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.